A very good morning, my dear students. Myself Arul Murugan. Welcome to my digital class. Chapter name Input, Output and Memory Devices. Lecture video part 15. Dear students, in a previous lecture video, we discussed about hard disk and floppy disk. In today's lecture video, we are going to discuss about optical disk, optical track, DVD, Blu-ray, portable storage devices, cache memory. We will see one by one. First, optical disk. What is optical disk? It is a random access. So, optical disk is a random access. Removable disk on which data is written and read through the use of laser beam. So, with the help of laser beam, we can read the content of optical disk. Optical disk consists of rotating disk which is coated with highly reflective material. So, optical disk consists of rotating disk which is coated with highly reflective material. Data recording on the disk is done by focusing on laser beam on the surface of the spinning disk. So, dear students, whenever you insert the optical disk will be spinning, which means rotating. So, during rotating time, the laser beam will be focused on the optical disk. So, this is the method how the data will be recorded in the optical disk. Understand? So, this is optical disk. So, optical disk, for example, you can take a CD-ROM, DVD, Blu-ray. So, these are all the example for optical disk. Next, optical track. So, what is optical track? It is a recording unit of data on disk. So, what is optical track? Optical track is nothing but it is a recording unit of data on disk. So, dear students, assume that we are having a disk. So, this is CD disk. So, in this disk we need to store the data, we need to record the data. So, what is optical track in the sense? The recording unit of data on disk is called optical track. The information stored on CD-ROM is arranged according to certain rules. So, the data will not store randomly here and there. So, whenever you want to store the data, it follows some rules. And the shaped like optical track, it is like a track, optical track called light rail in the spiral shape. So, like this spiral, in the spiral shape all the data will be stored. Understand? The depression part of the optical track is called information pit and the flat part is called land. They are used to record the information. Dear students, so like this spiral. So, in the spiral shape the data will be stored. You can see the information 8-bit data. See this place clear is called pit, the depression part. So, this depression part is called pit and this part. So, this part is called land. So, the depression part is called information pit, the land part is called land. Understand? The flat part. So, the flat part is called land. Can you able to see the difference? The flat part is called land. This depression part is called information pit. So, this is how the data is stored in the optical disk. Dear students, what is optical track? The recording unit of data in the disk. Understand? Next, DVD. What is DVD? The expansion of DVD is digital video disc. With the advantage of optical disc technology, it cannot store video program but also store music with increased usages. Dear students, in earlier days DVD used to store only video program only. Later, the advantages of optical disk technology, we can store any kind of data so that it is renamed or referred as digital versatile disk. So the versatile is the performance of the DVD. Understand? So this is DVD. So in this DVD, in earlier days we used to store only videos. Understand? So you can aware about it. In the DVD only movies and all they used to store. But nowadays in DVD we can store music, data, image, audio, video, any data or any format of data we can store. So that's why it is also referred as digital versatile disk. Understand? Next to Blu-ray disk, see it is referred as BD. What is BD? Blu-ray disk. It consists of thickness of 1.1 mm of recording layer. Dear students, in Blu-ray disk comparatively if you take a DVD, the thickness will be higher. Understand? So around 1.1 mm of thickness is recording layer. In that 0.1 mm is composite made of transparent protective layer. Understand? So 1.1 mm of recording layer, in that thickness of 0.1 mm composite made of transparent protective layer. The recording capacity around 23.3 GB, 25 GB and 27 GB. So this is Blu-ray disc. So you may see Blu-ray videos and all. So Blu-ray videos and all having high resolution and high definition videos. So the Blu-ray disc is having high capacity storage devices. Understand? Next, portable devices. See, PSD, portable storage devices, is a small hard drive designed to hold any kind of digital data. Dear students, what is PSD? Portable storage devices. It is a small hard drive designed to hold any kind of digital data. It is slightly different from portable media player. What is portable media player? We can store audio data and we can listen during the travel time. The portable media player only capable to store video, audio signals, audio data. Understand? Only music data we can store into the portable media player, whereas in portable storage device we can store any kind of digital data. So when you travel, the portable storage device may be useful for alternative to backup. Assume that we are having some file, clear. So we want to transfer, or we want to move from one place to another place, clear. So the best method we can use the portable devices. Understand? So assume that we don't have any internet facility. Understand? Nowadays we are having internet facility, so that we can easily mail or WhatsApp. Assume that if it is no internet facility, it is the best way to carry the data from one place to another place. So you can see this is the portable hard disk, external hard disk. This is pen drive and this is memory card. So these are all the portable devices. Next, cache memory. Dear students, this cache memory is important for second PUC also. So keep it in your mind. What is cache memory? It is small amount of high speed memory present between primary memory and CPU. So what is the term is CPU? Is processor. There are two level. In the first PUC they mentioned there are two level, level 1 and level 2. Level 1 is presented inside the CPU, which means inside the processor. Level 2 is presented on the motherboard. It holds most recent data or instruction. You can see in this cache memory there are two level. L1 is built-in chip, clear. In the processor only L1 is present, L2 is presented on the motherboard. L2 is presented on the motherboard. Dear students, I am going to conclude this video by giving summary. First, optical disc. So it is a random access removable disc on which data is written and read through with the help of laser beam. The optical disc consists of rotating disc which is coated with highly reflective material. How data will be recorded? The data will be recorded on the disc by focusing a laser beam on the surface of spinning disc. Spinning disc means rotating disc, and this is optical disc. So optical disc we can take, there are different types, CD-ROM, DVD, Blu-ray, these are all the optical disc. What is optical track? The recording unit of data on disc is called optical track. The information stored on CD-ROM is arranged according to certain rules and is shaped like optical track called light rail in the spiral shape. So which shape all the data will be stored? The data will be stored in the shape of spiral, which is called optical track or called light rail. The depression part is called optical track is called information pit, and the flat part is called land. They are used to record the information. Dear students, the depression part is called information pit, the flat part is called land. Understand? Next, DVD. What is the expansion of DVD? Digital video disc. With the advantages of optical disc technology, we cannot store only video program, but also we can store music data with increased usage, so that it is also referred as digital versatile disc. So what is mean by here versatile? We can store any kind of data. Understand? So this is DVD. Next to Blu-ray, it is also referred as BD, which is Blu-ray disc. It consists of thickness of 1.1 mm. So what is the recording capacity, which means storage capacity? 23.3 GB, 25 GB and 27 GB. So this is Blu-ray. And next to portable storage device, PSD. It is a small hard drive designed to hold any kind of digital data. It is slightly differ from portable media player. The portable media player used to store only musical data, which means audio data, whereas PSD, portable storage device, can store any kind of data. We can portable from one place to another place. So when you travel, the portable devices may be useful for alternative backup. So external hard disk, pen drive, memory card. So these are all the example for portable devices. Next, cache memory. It is a small amount of high speed memory present between primary memory and processor or CPU. How many levels? There are two levels, L1 and L2. Where L1 is present? The L1 is present on the processor or CPU. L1 is presented on the CPU or processor. L2 is presented on the motherboard. L2 is presented on the motherboard. Understand? Dear students, kindly watch this video one more time. Still, if you have any doubt, feel free to message me or call me. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video. We will see next class with some other topic. Thank you.